Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Teresa. Hey girl, thanks so much for supporting my channel. So we're jumping right into today's tutorial as well. I'm going to be using my extra short square soft gel full nail covers. As you guys already know, I do sell these in my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in purchasing, as always, the link is down below. All I'm doing is going in and I'm making sure that the full nail covers fit wall to wall. It was kind of hard to see here. If you guys haven't seen any of my videos, you'll get a better glimpse of the length and what they really look like here. But they're the perfect size if you can't do super long nails like me. I do still have 9 to 5. I type all day every day, so these nails are perfect for that. If you're somebody that types a lot, or if you're just somebody who, I don't know, maybe you're a mom and you just need short nails in general, I got you covered. Like I said, I do have these in my Etsy shop. It's super hard to find short soft gel full nail covers, but today, I don't know if you guys saw my most recent videos, but I do have a new dapping dish, and for my solution I'm going to be using 70% alcohol. I showed the Polygel, but before we get into the Polygel I'm going to make sure I put on my UV LED fingerless gloves. These are very important because if you don't use protection when doing your hands, it can leave your hands to darken, or it can leave them premature aging and wrinkling. And if you put your hands in and out of that lamp often like me, I put them in and out of the lamp probably like at least once a week, and I do my hands 3 sets in one day. So if you do your hands often like me, you definitely need these. And just in general, it's a great preventative. I do sell these in my Etsy shop. I will be bringing the pink ones back in stock soon. For now, all I do have is white in stock. The pink ones will probably come back around November. But for this video, I'm going in with some Model 1's Light Apricot Polygel. I actually have to order some more. I gotta figure out how to order just the Light Apricot shade because it's like my perfect nude. I love this Polygel shade. As you can see, like, I was struggling trying to get the rest of this Polygel out of the tube because I have literally nothing left. So I need to buy some more, but all I'm doing is going in. This method, I love this method, and I will forever do this method because it's so easy. If you've done Polygel any other way, it's so hard to get the filing and like the shaping right. It's too difficult for me. And not even it being too difficult, it just takes too long. So this method is perfect if you're like me and like kind of impatient and you just want your nails to be done, but you want them to be the perfect shape. Honestly, give this method a try. It's one of my favorites. I love this method, and I also do like using straight dual forms. That works for me as well. But all I'm doing is going in and squeezing whatever I can get out of this tube into the full nail cover, and I'm making sure the cuticle area is flush and way thinner than the rest of my nail. I'm not making these too bulky. As you can see, I didn't put a lot of Polygel in it because the full gel nail cover is already sufficient enough. We're really just using our Polygel as like a glue. You can think of it as an adhesive. But yeah, all I'm doing is making sure that the cuticle area is flush and that nothing is squeezing out on the sides. And if it does, just go ahead and take your Polygel brush and some alcohol and make sure you wipe that up before going into cure. So I'm just going to finish putting my full nail covers on. As you can see, I did do multiple full nail covers at once, and that's just going to help eliminate the time that your hand is in that UV LED lamp. Like I said, if you do your hands often like me, you definitely want to be making sure that you're doing some type of preventative, whether that's putting sunscreen on your hands or also using UV LED fingerless gloves. So yeah, this method is super easy. Like I said, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me finish off. I'm gonna go in now with some lint-free wipes and some alcohol, and I'm just gonna wipe my nails down really quickly before we begin doing our design. I got these lint-free wipes from Shein, and I also got that pump from Shein as well, but I'm just gonna go in with an 80/80 grit nail file. I purchased these from Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon storefront, and I do have the link to my Amazon storefront down below if you guys are interested. All of my Amazon favorites and must-haves are there, from gel polish to polygel kits to nail art accessories. I have lists, kind of like playlist or wish list for different categories. So definitely check that out if you're an Amazon girl like me. But all I'm doing is going in. The lower the grit, the more sharp your nails will be. So the lower the grit, the better. So these are 80/80 grit. So usually you get 100, 180 grit. These are straight 80/80. So I love them. I'm just going to go ahead and dust all of that away. But you could go ahead and wash your hands at that point. For our gel polish, we're going to be using Chocolate by MAKARRT. And we're going to be using some Beetles glitter, gold glitter polishes. I kind of mix them, but mostly use that shade 341. And I also using some white and another tan polish. This is also by MAKARRT. It's just their different line. You know how they have awesome colors, and I forget what their other brand is, but this is all just MAKARRT and Beetles gel polishes, which are definitely my favorites. So I'm really not going to explain too much. This brush that I got is actually from Shein as well. If you guys haven't seen my Shein haul, I definitely recommend checking it out, because Shein has some great nail art supplies for very low prices, affordable prices. They're awesome for nail art supplies like this. That little palette that's holding all of my gel polishes is from Shein as well. I do have a video of my most recent Shein haul. I think I have 2 on my channel. So if you're interested, definitely check that out. I'll try and remember to link it above. But all I'm doing is doing some swirls. This is, you know, common. This is the thing that the nail trend that's in right now is doing some swirls. So that's all I'm doing, is just going in and I'm doing one color at a time and doing my swirls. I've been getting a lot of comments on people mentioning that they want to see the story times come back. I want to see the story comes back as well. I love doing the story time and nail videos. If you guys are interested in seeing those, definitely let me know down below, but also definitely send me your story times. As you guys know, my email is down below in the description box as well. So if you have any stories that you want featured on my channel and one of my videos, definitely go ahead and leave me. It has to be a decent sized story. It can't be anything too short, so the longer the better. But yeah, you can go ahead and send them to my email. I love doing the story times for people because to tell the truth, like, there's some stories that I tell that were definitely for my subscribers, and there's some stories that are personal, but I always leave everything anonymous, so you can kind of get what you need to get off your chest and see and read the reviews from other people who may have been through similar situations and who just offer advice and give support. All of my storytime videos, I've never seen like a horrible comment, and if I were to see one, it's definitely going to get deleted and blocked. So please don't come with any negativity. If you have anything you want to get off your chest, as always, like I said before, my email is listed down below in the description, and I love to read and tell your stories. So once I start getting some story times in and start reminiscing and jotting down some of my own, I'll definitely bring the story time videos back soon. Those are my favorites, so I'll definitely bring them back soon. But I just wanted to mention that for my nail designs, all I'm doing is going in and doing some swirls. If you have any mistakes, you can just use your polygel brush to clean up. But now for my top coat, I'm going to be using Model 1's top coat. I love Model 1's top coat because of the brush. I don't know what it is about this brush, but it just does it for me. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and top off my nails. I'm going to use that lint-free wipe with some alcohol again, because that is not a no-wipe top coat, so you definitely want to wipe it off after you finish. And then lastly, the best part, I'm going to be using some cuticle oil, and I do sell this cuticle oil in my Etsy shop. I'm using the scent strawberry or rose in this video. And I just love these cuticle oil sticks. They're so cute and they're so fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hydrate my cuticles, and then here are the final results. Super cute and super minimalistic. I love this design. These colors are perfect for the fall. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Today is Monday. I might get a video out for you guys Thursday, but if not, please don't hate me. It might be Saturday this week because I do have a lot going on. But nonetheless, I will see you guys soon, and I hope you're having a wonderful start to your week. Bye.